self-watering plants are an excellent choice for individuals who may forget to water their plants regularly or have busy schedules. These plants come with built-in mechanisms that allow them to draw water as needed, ensuring optimal hydration for their growth. Here are 10 easy care self-watering plants. 1. Peace Lily, Spathiphyllum. Peace lilies are known for their attractive white flowers and glossy, dark green leaves. They thrive in low light conditions and can tolerate occasional dryness. 2. Snake plant, Sansevieria. Snake plants are incredibly resilient and require minimal care. They have long, upright leaves with striking patterns and can survive in low light and irregular watering conditions. 3. ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamiifolia. The ZZ plant is another low-maintenance choice that can tolerate neglect and low-light environments. Its thick, waxy leaves store water, allowing it to withstand dry spells. 4. Pothos, Epipremnum aureum. Pothos is a trailing vine with heart-shaped leaves that come in various shades of green. It is adaptable and can thrive in both low and bright light conditions. 5. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. Spider plants are popular for their arching leaves with white stripes. They are highly adaptable and can tolerate different light conditions and infrequent watering. 6. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema. Chinese evergreens are known for their attractive foliage and ability to thrive in low-light environments. They are also forgiving when it comes to watering. 7. Ponytail Palm, Beaucarnea recurvata. Despite its name, the ponytail palm is not a true palm but a succulent, making it a great choice for self-watering environments. 8. Aloe Vera, Aloe barbadensis. Aloe vera is a versatile plant with many medicinal properties. It requires minimal watering and thrives in bright, indirect light. 9. Jade plant, Crassula ovata. Jade plants are succulents with fleshy, round leaves. They are drought-tolerant and prefer well-draining soil. 10. African violet, Saintpaulia. African violets are small, flowering plants that add a splash of color to indoor spaces. They have shallow root systems and prefer consistent moisture, making self-watering mechanisms ideal for them. Remember that even self-watering plants require periodic maintenance. It's essential to monitor their water levels and refill the reservoirs as needed. Additionally, providing adequate light and occasionally fertilizing the plants will help them thrive.